It would be impossible for us to walk without friction. It is because of friction between our feet or shoes and the ground that we are able to walk by pushing our feet against the ground. Without friction, we would slip as soon as we tried to walk. It is difficult to walk on ice or on a very smooth and polished floor. This is because the friction of these surfaces are very little. We could not write with pen or pencil if there were no friction. When your teacher is writing with chalk on the blackboard, its rough surface rubs off some chalk particles which stick to the blackboard. This is impossible without the friction between the board and the chalk. It would be impossible to fix a nail in the wall. So, it would not be possible to construct any buildings without the frictional force. Friction wears out the rubbing surfaces. The soles of our shoes wear out in a few months due to friction. Same in case of the moving parts of the machines also. The moving parts of a machine wear out with time because of friction. If an object started moving, it would never stop if there were no friction. Had there been no friction between the tires of the automobiles on the road, they could not be started or stopped or turned to change the direction of motion. Friction generates heat. Sometimes this can be harmful. The heat produced in a fast moving machine is very high. Proper arrangements have to be made to cool down the machine, otherwise, it can get damaged. If the cooling arrangement in a car does not work properly, the engine can get jammed.